Or injury happens, there are a lot of questions, and it's important to know where you can find help. News 8 has partnered with personal injury attorney Brooke Goff from the Goff Law Group to bring you the law down. Attorney Goff, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so where should someone start when they're looking to file a claim for personal injury or workman's comp?
Sure. So for workers' compensation, looking for an attorney should be a different process than looking for a personal injury attorney.
Okay.
First, obviously, my opinion always is just my opinion. You really want an attorney that does both personal injury and workers' compensation.
Sure.
The issue in my world is that there's a lot, personal injury is sexy, right? That's just the way it is. The dog bites, car accidents, there's a lot of money involved, all this. Workers' compensation actually requires ready work from the attorneys.
Right.
So a lot of attorneys don't like them, so they'll be like, hey, I want to take your personal injury case, well, we're going to farm out your workers' comp case, right? You want an attorney that does both. You know, I've always done both because sometimes there's a crossover, right, between personal injury and workers' compensation, and sometimes there's not. But think about this with workers' compensation. Don't you want an attorney that's, you know, tried cases in Superior Court in front of a jury?
Of course you want experience.
Because if they have, though, but the comp system's totally different. The comp system typically involves a commissioner. There's no jury. So if you're preparing for a workers' compensation case the way you would prepare for a Superior Court case in front of a jury, you're going to be much more prepared than everybody else, right? Including the insurance company on the other side. So I always think that there's absolutely a benefit for having an attorney that does both personal injury and workers' compensation.
Sure.
You're going to want to definitely go online to check out their website, see like what they say. I mean, you don't want workers' comp to be the last thing listed on the website, because usually, I mean, we're trained anyways, that you put the things that you do the, you know, most of at the top, and then you'll find that, like, let's say, I don't know, an attorney does real estate or disability, it'll be way at the bottom.
Sure.
So you want to look at their website and make sure that the attorney actually, I don't want to say, I can't use the word specializes, but it regularly practices.
Focuses on, sure. So are there any red flags a client should be aware of?
Yes. I would tell you a red flag when choosing an attorney for workers' comp or personal injury is if you feel pushed, right? So you're in the office and the attorney's trying to like push the documents on you. You feel any kind of pressure. You shouldn't. You know, my office, it's not common, unless the client asks for it because of their scheduling, that when I meet with the client for the first time, I even put documents in front of them. Most of the time I say, take these home, take them, review them, read them. If you have any questions, there's nothing to hide. And I want you to understand it. And I think if you're married or if you are in a committed relationship, you should review it with your spouse because it
affects them too.
Affects everybody. Yeah. So that's a big red flag.
Right. And talk to me a little bit about your firm, your availability.
Sure. I meet with the client. So it's funny, a lot of, since we've done some of the styles here and the tips, and we've partnered with Channel E, a lot of the client, we've gotten a different, I don't want to say, just it's more exposure to different types of clients,
sure,
right?
Makes sense.
So they come in and they meet with me and they're like, you're the lawyer from the TV. And I'm like, well, who did you think you were going to meet with, right? Like, and they meet with some of my other attorneys too. They're like, well, usually the attorneys that are on the TVs, they just are on the TV. And I'm like, not me. Like,
you're in it.
I meet with you. She goes, does that mean you're going to be handling my case? Well, yeah. You know, I'm not just, you know. The issue is, and this is a red flag too, is it's easy to slap your face in a billboard and talk positively about yourself. It's easy to say, I'm the best lawyer in the world. I'm on a motorcycle, that makes me a good motorcycle lawyer. Whatever you want to say, okay? It's easy to do that.
Yeah.
But it's about putting your money where your mouth is, right?
Yeah,
and a big red flag is if that person that's on the billboard or on TV or wherever they are is never available because they're at one of their 10 vacation houses. That's a red flag. Yeah. You want that person, they're selling themselves to you, it's a service business. Right. You can't get them because you're being passed off to somebody else. You know, that could be a problem.
There you go. So do your research when you are choosing an attorney. And of course, you can learn more over at gofflawgroup.net. Attorney Goff, thank you for being here and for all the information.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks.